One of our car fuses blown up, so we need to find a place where we can buy a fuse. We're gonna install it so we can keep our charger running. We already found the issue. It's the fuse for accessory socket, and we're going to troubleshoot it now. Hopefully we can fix this, so at least we can charge all our equipments. So here it is. I think this is the one that failed. This one, the blue one. So that's 15A for accessories. Yeah, if you can see, there is a diagram here. So this is that's a diagram for that one. So we'll have to replace it. Okay, we'll go to the auto shop. We'll get the right fuse for that one, and we'll come back here and install it. We're gonna put it back. That's it. Right, let's go. Luckily we have pliers here in the car, and we already bought a new fuse for our Isuzu MUX 2024. So here it is. We're going to install this one, and we'll see if it's gonna work. There you go. Here it is. It's gonna go here. That's it. If you are not sure, always check the diagram. There's a diagram here. That's it. Okay. Should be alright now. Put this one back. Okay. Right. Take everything. That's it. Ready? Charge. Wait. Let me see. Yeah, it's working. It's working now. Let's see the one behind the car, the bluetti. Good. What a relief, it's charging now. Let's continue our holiday.